Okay, so first here solution. Okay, so here so that the points in the Argand diagram represented by the complex numbers 2 plus 2i minus 2 minus 2i minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i are the vertices of equilateral triangle. So here equilateral triangle is nothing but all the sides are equal in the equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal in the equilateral triangle. Okay, so what we have to prove? We have to prove that all the distances are equal. So if you take the vertices A, B, C, okay, these vertices are equal in equilateral triangle. Okay, minus 2 comma minus 2 and minus 2 root 3 comma plus 2 root 3. Okay, so here given vertices, what are the given vertices? 2 plus 2i. 2 plus 2i we can write it as 2 comma 2.
2 comma 2.
Okay, and Argand diagram in the graphical representation. Okay, minus 2 minus 2i we can write it as
Minus
minus
2
2
comma
comma
2.
minus 2, right? And minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i we can write it as minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Okay, so just to give the names for these as A, B, C.
ABC.
Okay, so now we are using the distance formula for finding the distance between any 2 points. Okay, we use the distance formula, distance between 2 points. Okay, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus
Y2
y1
minus Y1.
whole square. Okay, so now apply the formula. Okay, for A and B. Okay, if we apply the distance AB under root of, okay, so 2 minus of minus 2, or we can write it minus 2 minus 2. Anyone is okay. Either x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. Okay,
Root
so
32.
yes, minus 2 minus 2 whole square. Okay, so this is minus 4 whole square 16 minus 4 whole square 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. Okay,
32.
so either you can simplify more or keep it like that. Okay, if you simplify more, 32. Okay, so 32 means 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times. So 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So we can take pair of 2's outside. Okay, this pair becomes 1
4
2.
outside and 1 2 will be left.
This pair becomes 1 2.
4
Okay,
root 2.
so 2 and 2, 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Similarly, find the BC also. Find the BC also.
B.
Okay, the distance BC minus 2 root 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square. It is looking like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Okay, so what is the formula? A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab plus 2ab gets cancelled, right?
Gets cancelled. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so that we can write it as 2 into a square plus b square. Okay,
Yes.
2 into a square plus b square. Little bit simplified form, or otherwise we can apply a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square also. Okay,
Got it, sir.
so under root of 2 into 2 square is 4. 2 square 4 into square root cancel for root 3. 3 it becomes 4 3
3.
Okay,
16
so
into 2, it's
16.
32.
Yes. Okay, root 32. Root 32 just now we wrote as 4 root 2. Similarly, find the distance A. Okay, so here minus 2 root 3
Again,
minus
same thing, sir.
same, yes, yes,
With AC.
yes, yes, same thing, plus 3 minus 2 whole square. Okay, whole group.
Minus
Okay,
2
so this
square.
is equals to here also. We can apply the same formula. A means minus 2. Consider A means
Okay, sir.
minus 2 under root
Minus
of.
2.
Okay, so 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 whole
2
square.
root 3.
2 root 3 whole square. So here 2 into
4
2
plus
square 4 and 2 root 3 is 12. 2 root 3
32.
whole square. So root 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. All the sides are equal. Therefore, AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. All the sides are equal to 4 root 2. All the sides are equal to 4 root 2.
4
Hence,
root 2.
hence
It is an equilateral.
Given complex numbers represent are the vertices of equilateral triangle. Given
Complex
complex
numbers are vertices of
number of
equilateral.
represent the vertices of and equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. Just we'll discuss the next problem. After that, you write. Okay.
Sir, I've completed, sir.
Completed. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So. Okay. So the next question related to square. Okay. Show that the 4 points in the arcand plane represented by the complex numbers 2 plus I. 2 plus I.
4 plus 3i.
4 plus 3I. 2 plus 4I.
3i.
And 3I are the vertices of a square. Okay. So what is the property of square?
All the sides are equal.
Yes.
And diagonals intersect perpendicularly, or diagonals are equal, sir. Even diagonals
Yes.
are equal.
Okay. Diagonals intersect perpendicularly. That is also correct. Okay. So and diagonals
Are equal.
equal. Okay. When we compare the rhombus and square, okay, all sides are equal in rhombus as well as square. Okay. But what is the difference? Main difference?
The diagonals, sir. Rhombus diagonals are not equal and squares are equal.
Yes. Okay. So once okay, take the square. Okay, what are the given sides here? Vertices A, B, C, D are the vertices. Okay. 2 plus
2,
I is yes.
2, 1.
Yes, 2 plus I means real part and imaginary part, coefficient 1. 2 comma 1. And 4 plus 3I. 4 plus
4,
3I. Yes, it is 4 comma 3. And 2 plus 5I.
2, 5
2
and
plus
0, 3.
yes.
And
Yes.
2, 5.
So here it is given as 3I. 3I
0,
remember
3.
here 0 plus 3I. 0 comma 3 it is. Remember.
3i.
Okay.
Okay.
So and the points we write as A, B, C, D. Okay, are the given 4 points. A point is 2 comma 1 and B point 4 comma 3 and C point 2 comma 5, and the D point is 0, 3. 0, 3 are the given 4 points. Now find the distance. So we are finding
Okay,
the
sir.
distance. AB is equal to
Minus
under root of, what is the formula? Under root of x2 minus
x2 minus
square
x1 whole square plus y2
y2
minus
minus
y1
y1 whole
y1
square.
whole square.
Okay, applying the same formula here. Okay, between AB applying, okay, under root of 4 minus 2 whole square, right, plus
Yes.
3 minus 1 whole square. Tell me first, what is 4 minus
Sir,
2
it's
whole square? 3 minus
2.
1 2 square.
Sir, root
4
8.
plus 4, root 8. Root 8, what we can write? 2 to the 2 4 is
Sir,
8 and 2 to the 4.
2 root
Okay,
2.
yes. 2 into 2 into 2. So that is nothing but 2 root 2. One pair becomes 1, 2. Okay,
Okay,
similarly find the BC. BC is nothing but
sir.
under root of, okay, 2 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole
Sir,
square.
again it's 4 plus 4. It's 2 root 2
Yes,
only, sir.
okay, 4 plus 4,
CD
that is root 8, that is 2 root 2.
3 minus 5 square.
CD,
Uh,
0
It's
minus
again 2 root 2 only. CD also. And
CD
AD
also.
is
So,
minus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 square. Sir, all the sides are equal, sir.
all
Now I have
sides
to
are
check
equal.
the diagonals.
Okay, so DA also we are getting same 0 minus 2 whole square and
BD
3
and
minus
AC.
3 minus 1 whole square. Okay, so that is 2 square 4 plus 4, that is root 8. Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. Okay, so we have to check
Yes.
the diagonals, right?
Yes, sir. Check
Okay,
the
what is the
diagonals.
diagonal? Okay, diagonal.
BD and AC.
Yes. Okay, I'm finding the AC diagonal under root of 2 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 2 whole square
Yeah.
plus 5 minus
Four.
1 whole square. Okay, so 2 minus 2 0 and 5 minus
0
1 is 4 square.
is 4
16,
square.
16 is nothing but
16.
4.
4.
Okay, now find the BD.
Mm,
Okay, so BD is nothing but under root of 4
3
minus
minus
0
3.
whole square
4
plus
minus 0.
3 minus 3 whole square. Yes.
Sir, again it's
Okay,
4.
16 plus 0, that is 4. Okay, so here finally, therefore, all sides are
Sir,
equal.
just a
AB is
minute,
equal
sir.
to BC. Yes, yes, okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, here all sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Hence,
Equal.
given complex numbers are the vertices of
Represented
square.
square.
Yes. Okay. Hence, given complex numbers. Given complex numbers represents the vertices of square. The vertices of a square.
Square.
Okay. Is it completed,
Done,
ma?
sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
No. So we'll go to next question. So that is a rhombus.
2 points are missing, sir.
Yes. Why the 2 points are missing?
Mhm.
Actually, they're a little bit different type. Okay, I typed in another software. That software, okay, not allowing, I think.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll write otherwise. Okay, so here the question is -2. Okay. So the rest of the 2 points, -2 plus 7i and 4 minus 3i, as well as another 2 points are -3/2 plus 1/2i. One more point is, so these are the fractions. That's why I typed with another software. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
it is not allowing. Are the vertices of rhombus? Are the vertices of rhombus? Just wait, now, just wait. So order is also very important here. Why? Because these are the vertices of
Yes.
rhombus. Okay, and order. Why? Because here diagonals, we have to find the diagonals also, right?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
we are finding the diagonal, if we miss the order, okay, so we get the different answer. That's why actually this point is here and another point is here.
Sir, or else give this question as homework, sir.
Do you solve as homework? Only
Yes, sir. I'll solve it as
fraction.
homework.
Anyone
Yes, sir.
is
I'll do
okay.
it. That's what, sir. Everything is same.
Same.
So just
Already
say me which one is A, B, and C point, sir. And
only
D.
the difference is we have the fraction. We have the fraction. So how to write? Just tell me that. Based on that, I'll give you as homework. How do we write this
Sir, will
point? Tell me the point. -2 plus
so minus
7.
2 comma 7
Okay, good.
minus 3/2 comma 1/2
Good.
4 comma minus 3,
Good.
it's 7/2 comma 7/2.
Good. That's it. We have to multiply here. Okay. So
Okay,
7
sir.
by 2 is
Rest is
1. 7 by
just formula only, sir.
yes, yes. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
we have to
I'll do
apply the
it, sir.
distance formula only. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll do it.
Yes. Okay. So I think here also we get the same problem. In this also I typed with another software the question. Some part. Yes, it happened. Ask question here. X plus iy is equals to okay 1 by then so that 4x square minus 1 equals to 0. So here x plus 1 by iy, x plus iy is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Then show that 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so here given, what is given here? What is given? Given x plus iy is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta.
I sin
Here
theta.
we have two ways. One is rationalizing, another one is formula. Okay, so here I am applying the formula. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta formula? 2 cos square theta. Based on that, 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay,
By 2.
and sin theta, half angle formula. Sin 2 theta is 2
Okay.
sin theta cos theta. Okay, so here sin theta means 2 sin theta by
Sin
2
theta by 2.
and cos
Cos
theta
theta
by 2.
by
Cos
2.
theta
Theta
by
by
2. Okay, so I am applying this formula here. Then x plus iy is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cos is 2 cos square theta by 2 and plus I into 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Okay, so now 1 divided by 2 cos theta by 2 is common in both. 2 cos theta by 2 is common in both. If you take cos theta by 2 common. Okay, remaining one more cos theta by 2 plus 2 already we
2
took out
sin.
common and I is left and sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2. Okay. Now this is equals to the denominator. When we have the complex number in the denominator, we have to rationalize. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but 1 divided by 2 cos theta by 2 into, okay, so cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. Okay, so rationalizing here. Okay, so with the conjugate, so cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2
I sin
whole
theta.
divided by cos theta by 2
Theta
minus
by 2.
I
I sin theta.
sin
Sin
theta
theta.
by 2. I sin theta by 2. Multiplying and dividing by this conjugate. Okay. Now this is equals to 1 divided by, or numerator if you multiply cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. We get it as it is divided by 2 cos theta by 2 into a
Yes,
plus b into
cos
a minus b.
square.
Yes. Cos square theta by 2 cos square theta by 2 minus
I square
I
becomes
square.
minus, or minus minus becomes plus, so sin square theta.
Yes, sin square plus cos square, that is 1. Okay, so cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 whole divided by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, into this becomes sin square theta cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Okay, since here
One.
I square value is 1. What formula we used here? I square value is minus 1. Okay, here we can apply now sin square theta plus cos square theta formula. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Okay, so here cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 whole divided by 2 cos theta by 2 into 1. Now separate the denominator. Okay, cos theta by 2 divided by 2
Cos
into
theta by
cos theta by 2 minus I into sin theta by 2
theta
divided by 2 cos
2
theta
cos
by 2. Okay.
cos
So
cos cancel.
yes, here we can
1
cancel
by
cos
2
and
minus
I
tan tan theta by 2 by 2.
1 by 2 minus I into 1 by 2 tan theta by 2.
Yes.
This part is equal to x plus iy. Left side we have
Okay.
x
X
plus
equals to 1 by 2.
yes,
Then
real part, comparing the real part. Okay,
now
by
comparison.
comparing real part. Okay, what is real part here? X. What is real part here? 1 by 2. Okay, so that means x is equals to 1 by 2. The value of x is 1 by 2. So now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, if you square on both sides, x square is equals to 1 by 2 whole square. X square is equal to 1 by 4.
1
Take
by
this 4
4.
to this side. There it is dividing. If you take it to this side, multiply. 4x square is equals to 1. Take 1 also left side. 4x square minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so what we have to prove? We have to prove the same thing. Okay, 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is only the required solution. Here, Z1 and Z2 are the given two complex numbers. Okay, so given Z1 complex number as 2 plus 11i divided by 25, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is Z2 ma? Minus 2
Sir, it's
plus I.
minus 2 plus I
Yes,
by
divided
1
by 1
minus
minus
2i squares.
also. Here, conjugate. What is the concept of conjugate? Okay,
So the sign changes.
yes. Okay, so conjugate of x plus iy is x minus iy. Conjugate of x minus iy is x plus iy.
Plus
So
I.
here, z1 is already simplified form. So I am taking the z2 and simplifying
Yes.
here. Okay, so take the z2, that is
1
minus
plus
2 plus
2i.
I. Yes, 1 minus 2i whole square. Check the denominator part, ma. So in the denominator part, we have complex number. We have tried to
Yes, sir.
eliminate the denominator part complex number. A
By
minus b whole
rationalizer.
square form. A minus b whole square. First simplify. Apply the
Okay.
formula. A square
Sir,
plus
sir, if we don't simplify, then also we can do no, sir.
no
Like
no
we'll get this to no, we cannot.
no we cannot. Compulsory we have to
Oh,
simplify. Okay. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So minus 2 plus I divided by 1 square is 1 only, 2 square 4, I square minus 1, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, minus 4i. This is equals to minus 2 plus I divided by 1 minus 4, that is minus 3
minus
minus
3,
4i minus 4i.
4i.
When we get the terms like this, we rationalize. Now we can rationalize.
Yes. Minus 3
3,
plus 4i, we have to rationalize with it.
yes, okay. So minus 3 plus 4i, multiplying and dividing by the conjugate here. Okay. So in the numerator, multiply the terms. In the numerator, multiply the terms.
Multiply
Okay.
the
So if you multiply minus 2 into 3, minus 2 into 4i. Okay. So like that. And I into minus 3, I into 4i. Okay. So if you multiply
sir.
minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6, minus 2 into 4i, minus 8i, I into minus 3, minus 3i, I into 4i, that is 4i square, 4i square divided by a plus b into a minus b formula in the denominator. Okay, a minus b
Yes.
into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. फिर minus 3 square
9
minus
plus 16.
4i whole square. Okay, so yes, 6 minus plus
9 plus
4 into
16.
minus 1 minus 11i divided by 9 plus 16, right? Or
Yes,
minus
sir.
16 into minus I square value minus. So 6 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 11i. No, 6 minus 4 plus
No,
2.
sir. 2, sir.
Plus 2. Plus 2.
Mm.
Yes.
By
Okay,
25.
so yes. 2 minus 11i divided by 25. We can write it as 2 by 25 minus I into 11 by 25. 11 by 25. This is
25.
Z2. Okay, so once check the Z1 part. Z1 is equals to plus 2 plus 11i divided
Then
by
I.
25. So we can write if you separate. Okay, 2 by 25 plus I into 11 by 25. Okay, so are they conjugates
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir. They
plus
are
and minus
conjugates.
difference in the middle. Therefore, Z1 and Z2 are conjugate to each other.
Conjugates.
Therefore, Z1 and Z2 are conjugate
Conjugate.
to each other. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts, man? Till here?
No doubt, sir.